Hello students, once again welcome to the LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Let's start with the course Mathematics 1 and chapter is same as previous, multiple integrals. And today's topic is evaluation of double integration in polar coordinate. Same way as we have seen in previous lecture, there we have Cartesian coordinate, that means x and y. Here we have polar coordinate. Same concept, that integration is given with some curves that you have to make a strip and find the limit of the integration, and then you have to integrate the double integral. Okay. For that, we have some basic concept about polar coordinate and how we can make a strip. In this polar, which is very easy to make strip, so let's have a look on the topic. Double integrals in polar coordinates. The integral, double integration theta 1 to theta 2, r1 to r2, f of r, comma theta, dr d theta, represent the polar form of the double integration. Polar, that means in the form of r and theta. This integral is first integrated with respect to r, keeping theta constant, and then resulting expression is integrated with respect to theta every time. Okay. If the limit of integration are not given, then these limits are obtained from the equation of given curves. Okay. So this is the most important, let the bounded region bounded by the curves r is equal to r1 of theta and r is equal to r2 of theta, and the lines theta is equal to theta 1 and theta is equal to theta 2, which is shown in this figure. Here we have these two curves, r is equal to r1 of theta, r is equal to r2 of theta. These are the two curves, and this theta is equal to theta 1 and theta is equal to theta 2 are two lines. So this is the region which lies between these four two curves and two lines. Okay. So here, how we make this strip? We make the strip? Let's have a look on this. Again, same graph I have just taken here, r1, r2, line theta 1, line theta 2. This is the region. But this is so easier than the previous lecture, that means vertical, horizontal is nothing here. Just you have to make clear, then from one curve, from one curve to another curve, make the r subject and theta in which this entire region covered, that is angle theta 1, theta 2. That's all. Simple. These are the steps. Draw elementary radius vector from origin. We will start from the origin, that means from here, which enters in the region, from here, this one, and from here this r2, theta is equal to r1, and leave at this theta is equal to r2, and so limit of r become r1 of theta to r2 of theta in the form of theta every time. And to cover the entire region, rotate the elementary radius vector. This vector is called elementary radius vector. We have to just rotate from theta 1 to theta 2. From theta 1 to theta 2, which is our limits of theta 1 to theta 2. Simple. That's all. Okay. So this integration f of r comma theta dr theta has limit r1 to r2, which is the limit of r, and then theta 1 to theta 2, which is the limit of theta. Simple. Okay. So by using this concept, we will solve the example, and in this we will find first limit and then we will integrate. Before that, we have some standard curve. So same as Cartesian coordinate, we have some repeated and some new standard curves which we will use in the examples other than this, maximum 99.99% curves are repeated and which are given like this. First is cardioid. So what is the meaning of cardioid and how many curves and how we can draw and how we can find the limit. So first cardioid is r is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Cardioid, that means heart shape. That means we have this kind of graph, this and this. So here now we will not use x and y, we will use theta is equal to 0 line. This is initial line. This is theta is equal to pi by 2 line, which is perpendicular to initial line. This is theta is equal to pi and theta is equal to 3 pi by 2 and theta is equal to pi, we know that. So we will write down these two. Now if we start with the theta is equal to 0, so cos 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So r, radius r is 2a. So we have this 2a. Okay, this is 2a. If you put theta is equal to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So we have 1 plus 0 is 1. So a. So we have a here. And if you put pi. So we have cos pi is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So r becomes 0. Okay, this is a 0. Now, connecting all these three, we have this curve. And this is symmetric about initial line theta is equal to 0. Okay, so this is symmetric about theta is equal to 0. So we have this curve. This is look like heart. That's why its shape is called heart shape. This is cardioid. So what is the limit of this? So limits r is equal to, as I told, starting from the origin. So from here to end till end this curve. So r is equal to 0 to r is equal to this cardioid. The equation of cardioid is a 1 plus cos theta. So easy. No vertical, horizontal, nothing else. Just 0, the origin to curve. And theta is what? Which is asked in the examination. And the example, if it is asked over the cardioid, that means entire cardioid, and entire cardioid we know that which covers 0 to pi, 0 to pi, and pi to 2 pi. So entire cardioid gives theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to 2 pi. If it is asked the upper part of initial line, so this is our initial line, theta is equal to 0 this is our initial line, upper part, that means 0 to pi only. And if it is asked full entire cardioid, even you can use 0 to pi, but that at that time you have to see that this is twice of this. It is symmetric about initial line. So you have to multiply integration I 2 times and you can use 0 to pi. If you don't want to multiply 2 times, so you have to take 0 to 2 pi. This is choice is yours and depend on the example. Okay, I am right now taking 0 to pi and multiplying with 2. Same way we have r is equal to a1 minus cos theta. Same concept, everything is same, but we have now this theta is equal to 0 initial line. This theta is equal to pi by 2, which is perpendicular to initial line. If you put 0 here, cos 0, 1, 1 minus 0. Now this time starting from 0. For pi by 2 it is a, and for pi, cos pi is minus 1, so minus minus plus, so we have 2a. So we have this. Yes, that means minus, that means reverse, just only that. And slip is, as I told, from 0 to curve, nothing else. So limits are same to same. Only change will be here, r is equal to 0 to r is equal to a 1 minus cos theta, because we know that it is 1 minus cos theta is given in the our equation. Okay, the given equation. And theta is, as I told, it is symmetric about initial line, so we can take 0 to theta is equal to pi, and we can multiply its 2 times, 0 to pi, and r is 0 to is given a 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so this is the limit which never change. Theta will be changed depends on the example. If it is asked in the first quadrant only, so 0 to pi by 2. You have to just make sure which angle you have to take. Okay, two more cardioid we have. R is equal to 1 plus sine theta. So which is given by like this. This is our initial line, theta is equal to 0. This is our perpendicular line, theta is equal to pi by 2. Vertical line also. If you put theta is equal to 0, sine 0, 0, so we have a. Pi by 2, that means it is 2a. Sorry, it is 2a. It is a. And 3 pi by 2, sine 3 by 2 is minus 1, so it is 0. So we have this cardioid. Okay, this shape. It is symmetric about this line, vertical line right now. So limits are same. R is equal to 0 to curve as we have discussed. Origin to curve. 0 to R is equal to A 1 plus sine theta, and theta is, if we take starting from here, okay, to here, so we will take theta is equal to 0. If we entire cardio is given, then 0 to theta is equal to 2 pi we can take. But if I am taking this region, this part, so it starts from lower part of this, and it is known as minus pi by 2. So theta is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and we can multiply its 2 times. So 2 times double integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I am taking pi by 2 and I am giving reference to pi by 2 because if we have pi by 2, then we can somewhere use the reduction formula, so integration will be easier for us. That's why. Okay, and r which is given in the sine theta. Similar way, we have 1 minus sine theta that we have to draw, and we have to find the limit by yourself, but minus, that means this one. You are expert in this drawing of cardioid, right? So we have this right hand side part 0 to, as we have told, curve. So limits are r is equal to 0 to r is equal to given curve a 1 minus sine theta, and theta is, as I told, we will take minus pi by 2 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so I will be 2 times we can take if it is asked that entire cardioid. If it is asked right part of cardioid, then 2 is not multiplied. Okay, so these are the 4 cardioid. Now we have circle. So first circle r is equal to a, that means a radius circle. Circle with radius a. Center origin, simple. This is the r is equal to a. Simple. Okay, r is equal to a. So what is the limit for this circle? So limits are, if I am taking from origin to circle, so limits are r is equal to 0 to r is equal to a, and theta will be, I considered, because this circle is symmetric about x and y both. So theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. I am taking this first quadrant only. So we can multiply with 4 times. So integration 4 times, and limit theta's limit is 0 to pi by 2. Or we can use 0 to pi entire, or we can take 0 to pi upper half and we can multiply 2 times. Okay, so we have many choices in Cartesian polar coordinate. Second circle is r is equal to a cos theta. So we have this circle cos theta is same as our circle with x square plus y square is equal to a x. That is this right hand side circle. Yes, there you are. Okay, so from origin to this circle, so limit r is equal to 0 to r is equal to 2a cos theta, and theta is equal to compulsory you have from 0 to this pi by 2, because this circle is not going on the right hand side, left hand side is starting from here and ended here. So 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2, and we can multiply its 2 times because it is symmetric. So upper part, if it is as entire circle, so 2 times multiply, and if it upper part, we multiply with only 1 and 0 to pi by. Same circle we have r is equal to 2a sin theta, and this is look like x square plus y square is equal to 2ay. 2ay, that means on theta is equal to 0, this is theta is equal to pi by 2. So we have this circle as we have discussed in previous lecture. So we have 0 to circle, this circle, so limit r is equal to 0 to r is equal to 2a sin theta. And what about theta? So theta is equal to 0 to, as we have discussed, same starting from 0 to complete pi. So full if you need to 0 to pi, but if it half to 0 to pi by 2, and we can multiply it 2 times. Okay, because this is the 2 times. Okay, so 0 to pi by 2 and 2 times, or 0 to pi and no 2 times. Understood? I am writing. Why I am taking pi by 2 as a priority, as I told, because we can use reduction formula. So these are the circles. And last one is Leibniz cat. Equation of Leibniz cat is r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta, and which is given by like this. This is such one kind of little bit of like this. The theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2. This is our line. In Cartesian coordinate we say this line y is equal to x, but in polar coordinate y is equal to x is not used, this is used theta is equal to pi by 4 line. There is line which makes 45 degree, same as x and y is equal to x. Same way this one is your second line, and you can say this line theta is equal to minus pi by 4 line. Okay, so we have this Leibniz cat, this like infinitive symbol, this. Okay, two leaf, we have one leaf this and another is this. So limit of r is, if you taking origin to this circle, so this curve, so r is equal to 0 to r is equal to, because this is r square, so r is equal to a under root cos 2 theta. Okay, and theta will be 0 to, starting from here to here, not crossing this line. So theta is equal to pi by 4 line. And this is one loop and this is second loop. So we have two loops. This is second loop, this is one loop. If it is asked over a loop, that means only one loop of this right hand side loop. So we can multiply 2 times. I is equal to 2 times, double integration, and 0 to pi by 4. It is if you take full, so minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and no need to multiply with 2 if we use. Otherwise 0 to from here 0 to pi by 4 and 2 times, or over the Leibniz cat, then 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Okay, so these are the 3 different graphs which we will use maximum in this topic and use of this topic in future. So we have very first example. Example is evaluate double integration over r square sin theta dr d theta, where r is the region of circle, r is equal to 2a cos theta lying above the initial line. Okay, so we have this. First we will draw the circle R is equal to 2a cos theta, which is given by this. Okay. So 0 to curve, as I told, so limit of R is equal to 0 to R is equal to 2a sin theta. And theta is equal to above the initial line. That means only this part. So theta is 0 to pi by 2. And no need to multiply with 2. It's not twice because lying above the initial line only. So we have to integrate for the upper part of this, not full entire. That's why. Okay. So integration become double integration 0 to pi by 2 and 0 to 2a sin theta and r square sin theta dr d theta as it is. This one. And then how to integrate this? We all know, we have very first lecture, and that's why I told we pay more attention. This is the most important chapter, 20% of syllabus. Okay, so sin theta constant as it is, integration of r square is r cube by 3. Now upper limit minus lower limit, so it gives this. 3 we can take outside. Now 8a cube also we can take outside. We have sine into this. We will use that formula. Which formula? Integration of f of x whole raised to n. Differentiation of this function is into multiplication. So we can make one power increase and increased power goes to denominator. This formula we can use. So for that, this f of theta raised to 3 power differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So minus multiply here, minus multiply here. So we have cos raised to 4 by 4, upper limit minus lower limit. We have this, and by simplifying this, this is the final answer. Okay, so easy. So in polar coordinate, no any confusion to make the strip, vertical horizontal, nothing, just origin to, that means one curve to another curve. If only single curve is given, then origin to direct that curve. Now we have one more example. Pay attention here. This double integration over r sin theta dA. Here in polar form, dA means r dr d theta. That you have to keep in your mind. In Cartesian form, dA that means dx dy or dy dx. But in polar, this is the dA. R dr d theta. That you have to keep in your mind. R, capital R, this region is the region in first quadrant. Outside the circle R is equal to 2 and inside the cardioid R is equal to 2, 1 into bracket 1 plus cos theta. So we have now here two curves are given. So first we have to draw this curve. So we have this graph as I taught you. These are the two axes. Now, if we put theta is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2, 2 are 4, so r is equal to 4 here. And if we put pi by 2, 0, so we have 2 here. So, cardioid becomes like this, which is symmetric about initial line, so this is like this. Okay, now inside the cardioid, that means these are the inside cardioid, and outside the circle r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2, that means 2 radius circle. So 2 radius circle, this is 2 radius, this is also 2 radius, and 2 radius circle goes inside this, and this is outside the circle, like this. Sorry, I'm making very slowly this. So outside the circle, this circle outside this, and inside the cardioid in first quadrant, that means this part only. This part only. So here we have to make a strip. So, sorry. So we will make this strip from origin, but from one curve to another curve, because now origin is not considered, because region between two this curve, that's why. Okay, so we have r is equal to 2 starting from inside R1 to R is equal to, we have R is equal to second curve, that means which is given to 1 plus cos theta, and theta is starting from here 0 to here pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Now just put the limit in integration, given integration, and sin theta as it is and dA is as I told r dr d theta. Simple. Integrate with respect to r first, then we have integration with respect to theta. So r square by 2 upper limit minus lower limit, by simplifying and multiply this with this, multiply this sign with 2, we have two different integration. Okay, and now as same I told, this raised to 2 power, so differentiation of this is minus sign, so multiply with minus minus 2 outside, here this 2 outside, integration of sin is minus cos. Now integration of this is raised to, I made a mistake, so raised to 3 by 3, and this is as it is. So now we have this in denominator, both have 3. So we have 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is minus 3 by 3, which is minus 3 by 3. That means this cancel out. So we have minus 2 minus plus 2 plus 2 minus 2, which is 0. This is our answer. Okay, make correction. Okay. So these are the example, and same way we have these many examples that you have to solve by yourself, and as I told, practice make you more perfect, and if you have any query you can contact me personally. I will explain you and I will solve your queries. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you soon with next video. And for that you need to understand this 4 lecture, and the rest of the lectures are depend on this 4 lecture. One, simple integration, in which limits are given. Second, we have even the limit. Just we have basic concept how to make vertical strip, horizontal strip, and which are the curves in Cartesian coordinate. In third lecture, example based on Cartesian coordinate. In fourth lecture, polar form, polar coordinate curves, and integration of polar. Okay, these are the 4 basic concepts which we will use in upcoming lectures. So rewind maximum time and solve all the example based on these 4 lectures, then start with the next lecture. So thank you for watching. We will see you soon with next lecture. Thank you.